Hey guys, Mike at Southport Automart again. Next car today is a 2017 67 Toyota CHR. It's a 1.8 XL hybrid. Done 55,000 miles. It's a one owner car with full Toyota service history. On time every time. The service history is absolutely phenomenal and it's got a lovely interior. This is us. We are one of 4 Automart sites across the northwest. We share the site with our parent Honda main dealer that you can see in the background there, which is where this has come from. I'll give you a quick walk around. If there's any cosmetic bits we need to do, this is where I point them out. Those don't need doing. There's no noticeable scuffs or scrapes anywhere. Really nice. See, it's got a really, really lovely interior. Like almost like an oxblood leather, and then a sort of Bentley cross-stitched back to the seats. Great specification. Colour reverse camera, sat nav, Bluetooth, USB. Really big spec. There's the service history I mentioned. All Toyota, on time every time. All from one owner. As always, if you want any extra pictures or videos, part exchange prices, finance inquiries, anything at all, give us a call, send us a message. Thank you.